is Fast and Furious. He was the driver of the motorcycle Harley Davidson when the vehicle rear-ended right on the red light. What's your favorite game, Sean?
Oh, Black Ops.
Black Ops. He's the gamer, big gamer. So Black Ops is the game. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust him. So just relax. Big braids. Ooh, aliens. Okay, relax. So he's got C6 on the left. There we go. Nice and clean. Adjust your middle back.
That was a good one, right?
Yeah. Looks like you've been playing a lot that game. Your neck is always forward like this.
Yeah.
This is a new disease, new gamer disease. Okay, go ahead and line your stomach face down, please. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Out.
Out.
Out. Nice. Right in. Out. Out. Right in. Out. Okay. So Sean has go on your side, right. AFCX. On your side, face me, please.
He's still on here.
Relax. Don't fall. Okay, good job.
Hey, that's so good. Before you push down when you start, yeah, that was it.
Okay, let's adjust along this one. That's gonna be. He's got L5. Yeah, I'm gonna do the pull move. Okay, go ahead. Take stuff out of your pockets. Don't break it.
Lay
Go
down,
on your
face
side.
forward.
Yeah, go on your side. Are you gonna ride the motorbike more? Are you done?
No, I'm not done.
Huh? You're not done? Still gonna ride it?
Yeah.
You're not scared?
How
about your wife?
I don't know. Cause I got a CBR 900 street bike, but I was on that Harley.
Okay. Relax. There we go. Nice.
That's beautiful.
Okay, that concludes full spine adjustment.